Abom ana esibo so enu a finance minister reading the budget you say 2 leaders ne kasa and the kobomu Afenyo-Markin ne kana ya also a useless budget hope bie ni sa budget you very useless no tisi Wontumi ne Camilla when are there some the buy na Mahama Ayariga started so man nkasa kura parliament sometimes as a kindergarten for and I no pay me reading now the few comment about on the video na me here and a preliminary video on the budget and people are saying a lot of things about the Women Development Bank and I think that maybe people are not reading through what they are saying carefully. And here then this have challenged it and I will expand more on it because I decided to read more on it and do that. Remember when the 2 leaders they come out Afenyo-Markin and Mahama Ayariga the boom was now mass because Dr. Michael Wachuko Facebook was be blasted at Forson be a technical advisor to Yura Erikopoku. In fact, Sai Chinebi by Deputy Minister no Dr. Michael Wachuko say I'm very devastated and sad as the finance minister failed to apologize to the good people of Ghana concerning the unwarranted slay any other. I think that this matter was solved. Our finance ministry, it released the document showing that they've actually decided, and I even said that then Parliament, which is the agency that gave the appropriation, should go behind and maybe call the Auditor General to look at the matter. It seems as if the Greek ministry is not backing down. And this is a technical advisor to Erikopoku. So all those matters came up. Afenyo-Markin raised. I think that someone prompted Afenyo-Markin and he raised it. But the minister also I saw to Forson writing something to Mahama Ayariga. Oh, the people in Yama who side in now. And to make sure so subscribe, subscribe now click the notification in the video be to Mabu. No, what's my shabu you will certainly have a comment. Feel free leave the comment in the comment section. Make sure so because Goldberry construction method and episodes in assassin kratasm the documentations related to your house and Goldberry in the bedi sage man say so to na fa ofie ni bibia here renovation works ako Goldberry on bedi sage man na at the amount bring poma so addiction related issue trauma related shade care ko bring poma or be show e bibia aye kama the about minister we in the budget ne ko boom no Afenyo-Markin start as minority leader in the next 8 minutes TV.
Mr. Speaker, basically, what he's telling all ministers that he is not going to spend, he is not going to release funds to you. Mr. Speaker, already you are suffering and you've been redundant in your various ministries. His deputy minister told the nation that 1.6 billion was released to the Greek minister. Today, he says only 1.1 billion. You see, the true measure of a finance minister is not how much he spends. Mr. Speaker, throughout his review, there was no policy announcement for the cocoa sector. The 4 million farmers, the 4 million cocoa farmers are suffering. This finance minister, since he took over, as a supervising minister responsible for cocoa, we have seen suffering and wailing, and he comes here to lament. Mr. Speaker, he talks about determining the true cost of economic policy. The true cost. He's talking about having met some debt. What he has forgotten, that he refused good counsel from the minority. When Gold Board and Bank of Ghana charges on the gold for reserve policy was at 15%, we cautioned. He didn't listen. Later, IMS forced them to reduce it to 9%. 3 days ago, the governor announced that he was no more going to participate in this gold for reserve. It's too late in the day. You've already incurred losses of 9.6 billion. That is what the IMF told you. And you come here, you're saying prudent management of the economy. Really? Mr. Speaker, this review is full of English with empty payment. The payment he said is done. He said they've done some payment. Why didn't he give us details? You paid your party members. You paid your party members. The monies have gone to your party members. And Mr. Speaker, the Nkukon Ketinketi project has now become protein.
Honourable members, I insist we listen to each other in silence.
The Nkukon Ketinketi has become protein for your party executives. They are all cooking akukon coin. It is now a kukonkwan. Mr. Speaker, I want the finance minister to walk the talk. If you come here and you say 24-hour market, 24-hour market at 42 million cities, and you've abandoned the agenda 111. The hospitals, that should be your priority. You are not constructing the hospitals. Then you are spending a whooping sum of 42 million, and you say you've released 80% to the assemblies. Mr. Speaker, meanwhile, you are using the assemblies, their own allocation, to pay for the 24-hour economy. When there are no hospitals, how do you say you are constructing markets? Mr. Speaker, this review is uninspiring. There is no inspiration. What we are experiencing in this country is persecution, persecution, persecution. For the first time, we are seeing political imprisonment. Wontumi is a political prisoner. Mr. Speaker, Camilla Al-Hassan, a young mother of 3, is also a political prisoner, telling you how intolerant you are. And you are here telling us you are running an economy. You want this to be a one-sided parliament. When people criticize you, you threaten them. A lot of my MPs here have been threatened. You are threatening members of parliament with prosecution. Let me serve a warning to the Attorney General that the ravening clouds shall no longer be victorious. They shall not long possess the sky. Be careful. 2028, you'll be in opposition. 2028. If you are not careful, Mr. Speaker, if you don't stop now, you go and meet Wontumi there, and Wontumi will be out, and you will go in. So I'm advising you, let us all be measured. We welcome the reforms by the finance minister, and for the first time, he did something patriotic by acknowledging the digitalization reforms we introduced in government payments. Today he has acknowledged it. Mr. Speaker, we commend you for acknowledging MPP. We commend you, but you can do better. Tell your government to free all political prisoners. Dr. Forson, tell your government to free all political prisoners. Wontumi deserve justice. Camilla Al-Hassan deserve justice. The MPs behind me that you have lined them up for persecution. Listen, you can decide to imprison every MP. It will not shut us down. We will criticize you. We will hold your feet to account, and we'll make sure you account for every city you spend. But you know what? The good news is that you are on your way to opposition. You are on your way to opposition. So you should begin thinking. You should begin thinking deep. Because there in Sawam cells, in Sawam prison will not be locked up. It will open widely for you. It will swallow many of you. From what we are seeing in public procurement, your situation will be worse. So be careful. Those of you who are comfortable. And finally, you claim you want a third term. Third term? Third term. You are not performing. You say third term. Atu Forson, you are here presenting a budget. And beneath it is a third term agenda where you are going to spend money for people to be calling for third term. We are watching you with eagle eyes. Third term, focus on 24-hour economy. You promise 1 job, 3 shifts. You promise industrialization. Ghanaian businesses have lost confidence in you. You canceled the 1D, 1F, which was creating opportunity for the private sector. In its place, no policy alternatives. Electricity tariffs have gone up over almost 30%. Then you get up, you say you are promoting 24-hour economy. You have sacked public sector workers. Many of the Ghanaian youth lost their jobs. You sacked them. Today you are here. Instead of promising to restore them into their rightful places in the job market. You are not doing so. Then you come, you say we should praise you. Who is going to praise you? If you don't pay and you are holding the money and then you are there tightening belt and only paying your party members, then we should praise you. We are not interested in the books. We are interested in the economy in our pockets. People are suffering, Mr. Speaker. People need jobs. Your youth, even your MPs, they are praising you here. A lot of them are hungry. Come on, Yamefe. Your backbenchers, they can't go back home. Your backbenchers. And you say we should praise you. We will not praise you. It is the same old story. Asem dadana, Mrs. Sai. Mrs. Sai. Mrs. Sai. Again, Asem dadana. Mr. Speaker, arrest my case.
Yes, we na Mahama Ayariga smasa court. Ye nya ha ne beka ye budget asem ne ye kan pe Wontumi asem court. Na wo mass nya na, wan go school papa na. Mass ne nti Greek ministry issue no enie.
Mr. Speaker,
Honorable members, let's listen to each other in silence. I insist that we listen to each other in silence. Yes, Majority Leader.
thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, let me, on behalf of the House, thank the Finance Minister for presenting a mid-year review of the budget, which this House approved and authorized him to execute. And Mr. Speaker, I must say that the Finance Minister has given a very good account of himself. Mr. Speaker, just to correct the records, there is no inconsistency between what the Finance Minister said and what his deputy mentioned some time ago. His deputy mentioned that he had given a release of 1.1 billion, 1.6 billion. Today, the Finance Minister reported that he has given 1.1 billion to the Ministry of Agriculture and
That is payment.
And he also paid 551 million for Farmer Services Center. If you put the two together, that's 1.6. That's one. It was presented. You see, the good thing about this media report. The good thing about this media report.
Honorable members, for once, let's listen to each other in silence. Honorable members, please.
The good thing about this report is that it was presented live on national television. Everybody was watching and they saw the figures projected. So if if the minority leader engages in a slip of tongue, it is important for me to I just thought I should correct that. I know that he did not benefit. He did not benefit from going to Fufulsu Primary School, so his mathematics might not be as good as Honorable Jinapo's mathematics. When you add 551 to 1.1, you get 1.6. So the finance minister and his deputy presented an accurate figure. But Mr. Speaker, we were in this country, in this parliament, and there was a finance minister who told us that he could not run this economy without taxing our Momo transfers. That he could not run this economy without taxing our Momo transfers. A finance minister who could not run the economy without going for debts. Today, we have a finance minister who has abolished all those taxes, and yet he is successfully managing our economy. We have a finance minister who is not borrowing recklessly, but is successfully managing our economy. That is why I said that this finance minister has clearly given a good account of himself. Mr. Speaker, Ghanaians are struggling, working day and night to pay the debts, to fix the economy. Like the minister has indicated, ordinary Ghanaians are making sacrifices. Where is the man who put us in the debt? Where is Ken Oforiatta? After borrowing recklessly, creating the debts, he has gone and he is hiding in the United States of America. We must bring Ken Oforiatta back. Ken Oforiatta should be brought back to come and account to the good people of Ghana why he so grossly mismanaged our finances and left ordinary Ghanaians to struggle and fix the economy whilst he enjoys in the United States of America. And this is a man who was presented by the NPP as a finance minister. And the same people are telling Ghanaians that they should be brought back to power. So that you do what with power? You will bring Ken Oforiatta back and he will come and be building cathedrals. Mr. Speaker, this media report clearly indicates that the cathedral project is not ongoing. Mr. Speaker, what is ongoing is the construction of new schools. What is ongoing is the improvement of existing schools. What is ongoing is the improvement of the quality of schools. This media report shows that what is ongoing is the construction of roads, the construction of bridges never seen in the history of Ghana before. Mr. Speaker, this finance minister has indeed given a good account of himself. And that is why this House must commend him highly. Mr. Speaker, clearly, under this finance minister, Ghana is working again. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, I believe that with Dr. Forson managing our economy, we can all go to sleep with two eyes closed because he will deliver. Mr. Speaker, as for the issues that my friends in the minority have raised, I'm surprised that when we have been presented with a mid-year review of the budget, we are seeking to castigate the judiciary of this country. You are castigating the judiciary because it is not the Attorney General who convicted Wontumi. It is not Atu Forson who convicted Wontumi. It is a judge who convicted Wontumi. So the place to go to is the court where he has been convicted. Go and fight your case in the court. I have full confidence in the judiciary. And I know that if you go there and you... Mr. Speaker, this is not a forum to discuss Wontumi. It won't be fair to Wontumi for us to make him the subject matter of debate. So, Mr. Speaker, let me join this House to commend the Finance Minister and to assure the Finance Minister of the support of this House, of the support of Parliament as he continues to work and improve the finances and the economy.
Yes. Now, let me Anna because it will be mostly political stuff. But I think that the cocoa farmers issue, I think that maybe the ministry or the last time I checked about 2 weeks ago, some cocoa farmers said they've not received their money yet. Yes, from October. Some of them confirmed to me, you call Esiwa Bosumefreho. To your cocoa farmer, because I don't know everything. To your cocoa farmer, so maybe I will the and what really the issue is. Educate us in the comment section. 2, the Women Development Bank, they be so the 24-hour market and a bare district. See. Omo cancel now. I am ephemeral form. The mandate NDC has is 4 years. The manifesto they have to implement is 4 years. Now, January, na president menya 1 year. Oh, catch him say yen twen office bi wa kra. Afeni we are district offices. It's the same conduit like Maslock. There's no difference about it. You can read your own manifesto on the Women Development Bank. Therefore, so also the 24-hour market in every district market BB office 24-hour market you seen it that by call from President Mahama Ayariga December 2027. As we speak, there's no work going on. I live in Kumasi. So they become some call Swami. That's why you pass to Swami interchange. There's no work ongoing. So that baby, you see, the reason why I keep hammering these things is that for me, the top 3 things NDC we need, 24-hour, economics. I want 3 Women development market any oral apeki momentum kakra. It can also be show up. It will bring the government unemployment or cancer free 30 something about 12.8. Honestly, and now the comment section, look at the way the youth are complaining about jobs. Forget me there. Forget Zebia, me power binance and me turbine or whatever. No. Just go under the comments. And that's why I always call for your feedback. Have you gotten a job in the last 12 months? Wow, my company has expanded to bring more people. Me at my workplace multimedia, they are men can say laying people, but they are trying to streamline things, giving additional responsibility to people, not to bring in more people. This is me, you just need to have nothing to gain from lying to you. So I think that we need to accelerate it. And if you have already existing conduit, even the Exim Bank equity, tell me what has been the impact of the Exim Bank. And no one come out to miss what has been the impact of ADB Bank, and that's why the last America said annual bank reports in every day. Do you know even the ADB was set up to give loans to farmers? Ask yourself, the last 10 years, just Google ADB annual report and look at the monies. They don't give the monies to even the farmers. They still give it to government. They still invest in government securities. So it's not the name. Banks need equity now with budget now we had to recapitalize UMB, National Investment Bank, NIB, and Prudential Bank. Prudential Bank, Nyamenkwan no survive the recapitalization. Everybody in the banking sector can come to the comments and add on. So these banks are not doing well. They are not performing better than the assets, the cows, the abscess, and co. So it's not the mere creation of the bank. It's the intended purpose that the thing is supposed to advance credit to women. The women are not sitting in Accra. The huge chunk of them are here besian ketwasa ano. Accra for no business partners be omo here 100, 200, 500. Omo send them kind of chimta krasa chimwin chikede assume abompe. Omo here sa sika nketenkete no nya kra. And as a time na kede 24 market ni wie. Inti bank na e wa chima bompe ho no. No, enyi here dex bi won be 7 no. Kadipa no kopa besia 500. Na aka se won fira chimbompe enko kede ya. And won fira suum enko kede a lorry fair ko ba kra yesen. So yen hwe ne sa me yen hwe ne suru bebre o. Sa na me meet women based on the I'm trying to my phone is not responded. I would have read for you the 24-hour comment. That is what I understood when I read it. When I read that part of the 24-hour market. Now the issue about jobs, very, very important. And I think that I'll peruse the budget, especially the plans on job, but readily it's about the Accra Expressway, hands on over palm oil, abeno, unse call benso, sa abeno neemano. I think there's no because already not much and I can cancer very important and the quite GOPDC. What we free Caribbean American Ghana or your Pound Development Corporation we do you free Accra be Kumasi do anyinama on your left. You free Kumasi Kwakra we do anyinama on your right. We so much GOPDC or Kwan or Kra. Yes, omo ya be na ade enu bi na me ma no kra de bremen and sing. Ene yan gu nyina omo ye oil no. Na de chia kokko ne bi no plain oil no. Ana enwo de no. Ha me ma me say watongo anti enwo mi nemu zo mi ngo ne ade na papa. You know, so it means that it's possible and they employ a lot of people. You see, so the internet they make support to Forson so omo make us omo ne say omo ma edua beno ana beno so a hwe value chain no omo ma enu abeno ti ade bi na yese axe no amu dwen say me dibi o me krasa ade bi ayese no ayese sei achie bi sei aso sadan no eno mu nu abeno nti e wo ma enu abeno ana beno to forma ya wo me tutu the pickers look at the value chain of abeno ya wo me tutu abeno ya wo me tutu abeno ya wo mefin ya wo mo de ya afin ya wo lipstick yes unim za be yes your lipstick ya wo enwo no ya de gu won pesie so ene ade no ya wo oil no na omo ye wi a setting inkrofo be stickers de be de tare ho the branding of it right. The branding of it, the value chain of those who package it. So the value chain is a lot. And today, I know can't so many 46 and many aje, but my dream say because everything that the NDC said in the manifesto that they would do is for 4 years, and 18 months is gone. So for me view is say accelerating the become can't so many BBA, but my dream said there should be more acceleration of it. Unemployment. I said who. From 12.8, say be next time I read the main budget for 2027 in there around November, October, maybe about 7%. Na mebuno, isa. Until these are the views. I don't know what to make of it. Feel free to share in the comments section. As I said, in the coming days, I will be serializing this for you, so that you all get an appreciation of it. Make sure say also do comments about educate us if you know all these things I've touched on. And you have more input to share, educate us on that. We are now a subscriber, most subscriber no click on notification. The video be to my home. Now with me, I should be. Make sure so be sure we see you. Dear mama, me here, Ghana, see here. Bye bye.